Come and see what's happening in the barn. I've seen nothing like this since I've been on this farm. Those strangers camping out and have a baby in their arms. Come and see what's happening in the barn. Must have been some time about close to midnight. A big old guy came knocking at my door. He said his wife was about to have a baby, and she just couldn't travel anymore. I said the rooms had all been rented out, but they find a shelter out there in the park. They could throw some blankets in the stable, at least they wouldn't try and save them out. Come and see what's happening in the park. I've seen nothing like this since I've been on this farm. No strangers camping out and have a baby in their arms. Come and see what's happening in the barn. Sometime before dawn I was awakened. Light was flooding through the window pane. The stars bright as moonlight was shining, and breathing I could not explain. And so I ran downstairs to have a look around, and I tell you I could not believe my eyes. A crowd gathered all around the manger, and they were talking about God's big life. Come and see what's happening in the barn. I've seen nothing like this since I've been on this farm. Those strangers camping out and have a baby in their arms. Come and see what's happening in the barn. Shepherds spent the day laying on the hillside, telling stories just to stay away. The baby lamb was sleeping near the campfire. The hills were hidden by the stone fencing, and then the sky just open wide, with this sound like the day could hardly bear. And one day small angels sang a chorus. You'll find a new Messiah over there. Now go and see what's happening in the barn. There's been nothing like it ever happened on this farm. Those strangers camping out and have a baby in their arms. Now go and see what's happening in the barn. Come and see what's happening in the barn. I've seen nothing like this since I've been on this farm. Those strangers camping out, they have a baby in their arms. Come and see what's happening in the barn. Come and see what's